Okay, so now I want to show you if you want to delete all the users, right? So let's go to the program mode, right? So let's edit first, then I will show you how we're gonna delete. So 0 hash. Now you have to edit 83 address, the password 94413, right, is edit. So I want to delete all the users. You can say star 1 2 3 4 star, right? So we have to delete all the users, so you have to go number 2 hash 0 hash like this. So you can say 94413. You see, now it's not opening. Okay, so another thing I want to show you, like if is you people putting the wrong password, right? Like this, I'm putting wrong password. You see, only the 2 times put the wrong password is gonna make alarm, and it's gonna be alarm is gonna be like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, so you can set it up. So let's put the master code is on. So we're gonna just set up the alarm if the people try to unlocking. So how many times they put the wrong password, then it's gonna be trigger. So you can say star 1 2 3 4 star, right? Then we can put 4 hash. The 4 hash is a code for the what we programming. And then for like how many times have to put the wrong password, you can say 3 times wrong password. And how many seconds alarm is gonna be triggered, like making noise, you can say the 5 seconds hash, right? Let's try again 3 times. 1 2 3 8 2 times, this is 3 times. You see, there is alarm, and it's gonna be ring for the 5 seconds. It's gonna be still like this, so you have to put the right code, master code 1 2 3 4 is unlocking. So I show you how to reset, how to delete the user one by one, how to delete all the users, and how to add the user. So, and I show you the other video for the reset the full device, so just take out the power and press hold number 2 and 3 before you making on. If you just remove the password for the default, just press 1. That's all.